give them.
Not only you, we need to act.
Wayo governor.
Let's see the edit. Governor Amuneke takes his child to public school. What a leader who leads by example. He has indeed set examples for all the leaders to follow. One of the women who stopped Governor when he was leaving the school thanked the governor passionately.
Blood of God.
Hello my people, on a day to the sup. It's your boy OBIKIng and welcome back again to another episode of What I Do Best Comedy Reactions. So my guys, please make sure to watch the very end because this one will really make sense, you feel me? So I don't want to say much, you understand? So let's just go have some fun.
Come, bless you the Chris. Where is this, eh? Something they tell me say you be lion because I know that they go chop raw meat outside. Eh? Where the fuel will suppose you stay on this fire and I'm gonna cook.
See the fire here.
On the fire. That's what they call me. On the fire quick, oh. I beg, I don't hungry. Who they get network of bush? Who be this?
After that, you will give me don't enter.
Hey, Ojukwu, that Telegram channel again, what I give you, don't enter? Yay! I tell you now, she got to say Betsy's Telegram channel and the Obunge channel for this lifetime now like this. Nobody even reach out. So you don't go Ojukwu page now, go click that link where they buy you. Now Betsy's might get that Telegram channel. I don't tell you, not to the watch leak videos for Telegram channel. Keep my percentage, oh. Betsy for life.
Jamaica want the lights.
The Chris, you know the hungry be on that fire now. See, I send you on that game. You didn't post on that game today. You even get Twitter. I tell you, you get Twitter, you get Telegram, but they tell you
Jesus!
That's why I die, you.
Go on, punish you. Not only you die, eh? Talk away now.
Come on, that's so not die.
That's why we die, you.
You do your solo.
Solo.
This guy is super aggressive. Now you to follow this
Solo.
They're very weary. You want to see great.
Yes.
Aura for aura. Aura for aura.
It's about to go down.
Rono.
Hunger don't they catch up. You never
God
ready
have
now.
mercy upon us.
Never ready. Hunger never ready.
Ouch!
Welcome, Governor. Governor Amuneke.
So, as the governor of the state, I've decided to do something different. Today, we'll make history. I commissioned a project, a school building, and some people cajoled my project and say that the infrastructure is not up to standard. But today, I'm going to prove to you that I'm a governor that works for the people, a humble governor that knows and hears the cry of the people. Of course, we know the infrastructure is not where we want to be. But are we working on it? Yes. That is why you need me for a second tenure. That's why you need me to complete all these projects, because I'm gradually building all of them one after the other. On that note, because I hear the cry of my people, I decided to bring my son, my beloved son, my first one and only son for that matter, to join the student of Amagunze community. So, my son, is joining a public school.
Your picking face.
Unlike other governors that will send their children to abroad, I'm a different governor. I've come to show you what good governance tastes like. So my son will suffer whatever they are suffering. My son will enjoy whatever they are enjoying. My son is no different from a common man. And from now on, it will be a reminder that my government needs to do more. And that is what I have started. Let's go to the class. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Maybe you're picking with this. Now I did sure of.
Hanya.
My son.
How is school today?
Maybe your daddy. Call me daddy again. Waiting I will use your mark. You know go fit chop again.
I don't say nothing again. Yeah, I don't shut up. Hey, Shamo.
Here is your payment. Governor is working.
Let it be this one now. 1,000 naira for waiting now. If me and this boy they vex his money, we know how much for that make. Carry this boy his money. You came back and give me 100 naira.
Other people go still act.
Governor, what are you doing? You supposed to put in the uniform. Come on and give them.
Not be only you, we need to act.
Why you governor?
Let's see the edit. Governor Amuneke takes his child to public school. What a leader who leads by example. He has indeed set examples for all the leaders to follow. One of the women who stopped Governor when he was leaving the school thanked the governor passionately.
Blood of God.
After doing labor for 4 good years, I decided to quit and learn Yahoo for a better future.
Are you playing?
You see, I did a lot of thinking for this moment. Before learning Yahoo, I met my long-time university friend at my place of work. Then I explained to him how life has been dealing with me since I finished school. Immediately he heard my story. He gave me an address to his house. He has a very big house. When I mean big, it's extremely big. Then I knelt down and begged him to show me the way.
So for me,
Man, you sure say if you do this job, why did you?
I could do anything.
Then he decided to consider how good I was to him when we were in school. He took me to a secret room where some boys are working. That's why I knew they are Yahoo boys.
Now, what thing are they doing with this? I don't they do this job for 5 years now. Since why they do this job, EFCC never catch me. And I go do this job till I die.
He noticed the fear on my face, then he did this.
Go and think about it.
I left the house without hesitation. Then I got into a deep thinking. Yahoo is not something I would love to do. What if I get arrested? What if I end up in prison?
I messaged that CL. They asked me say where they live. I say America. He say where for America? Then I say London.
Then I realized most boys in Lagos are doing it.
Since why they do this job, EFCC never catch me.
So I decided to be a man and join the business. But before that, I told my mom to pray for me. As an African mother that cares so much about her son, she took me to a pastor for a serious prayer, and then to an affair. Then I personally visited an herbalist I met online. And the first day I joined, this happened.
Sir, I'm not a Mongo. I just started today.
Started what?
Move up.
Started what?
I just started.
Yeah, move. Wait.
First day.
Now man, they Ojukwu.
I swear.
People got bad luck.
The
Where
guy
bad
that
luck?
Ojukwu, the guy that bad luck. Just beautiful.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi, hello, can you hear me? Oh my God.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Do you live around here? I've not seen you before, and I live this is my area.
Okay. Any problem?
No, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Michael.
Hello? Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Oh my God. Hello, Michael. How can I help you?
No, plenty stuff. I just want to meet you.
Why do you want to meet me? What do you want to meet me for?
Just get to know you, and
Don't know me, please. I don't live in your estate. I'm here to see my boyfriend. Is that okay?
Your boyfriend. Well, he's not your husband yet now. Don't allow your boyfriend make you miss your husband.
Can you hear yourself?
Ego better.
Oh my. Hello? Hello?
Hey, babe.
Hi,
babe.
I've been trying to reach you. Like, the internet has been terrible here.
The network is so poor. Babe, you've met her already. This is Jennifer, my friend from South Africa. I told you she will come today now.
Oh.
Okay, your friend.
Oh, this is him?
Yeah, this is my boyfriend, the one I've been telling you about.
Oh, your boyfriend. Oh.
Yes,
oh,
my
nice
girlfriend.
to meet you. Oh, nice.
I was just showing her the house, so that this is the house.
Of course you were.
Jesus.
Get the
So, where are these waiters? Waiter!
Babe, calm down now. See, you have entered and say, where are these waiters? Do you know it's only 20k I brought here?
Yes, now I just want to buy just little food that I can eat now.
Just within that price, I beg. Me too, I'll drink something at least now, so you should know where I'm going.
I like
Okay,
this guy.
but where are they?
I like
Waiter!
Meet them now. It's who have money that used to do all this waiter things. Don't go and meet them. Hey, baby.
Waiter! Ha!
Hey, lady. How are you?
Excuse me.
Calm down. What's up now? How you doing? You look good, I mean.
I have a boyfriend.
Oh,
yes.
Really? I mean, I like stubborn girls like you. Okay, you know, whatever you're getting, please add it to my bill. Yeah.
Thank you. Babe.
Jesus Christ. Babe, this chicken is so big. I told you I don't have money now. I have only 20k and you're buying this kind of big chicken. Be considerate now.
Calm down. You see that man over there? He was the one who told me to buy anything I want. That's why I bought this chicken, because I already told him I have a boyfriend.
You told him what? Are you mad? You told him what?
I told him I have a boyfriend.
Which boyfriend? From where to where?
Baby.
Don't shout, baby. If we hear and call. Babe, if he told you to buy anything on his card, why are you not buying only one chicken? Me, I will not eat. Or you don't want to eat chicken? Babe, go and meet him. Okay, no problem. Just leave this one now. You will go back and meet him and you will not tell him that you have not eaten very well like since the day before yesterday, so that he can buy another plate for you, or tell him not to buy rice again. The rice cannot do the work. Tell him to buy pounded yam and egusi soup. These people egusi soup is very good with ogufe and meat and fish and panla and bomo. So there's no food in the house. Do you understand? So like what?
Babe!
Like,
will you please stop this?
I'm just saying this thing because now normally we have seen somebody that will help us like this now. So just tell him that we don't even have transport to go home and we need to order right tomorrow again. I need to go and submit my my CV in that man place that I told us yesterday. So if we need transport to go there, I will have to order Uber because I cannot just go not looking at it. And if you have white shirt in his house, if he can help you borrow you white shirt. Because I said I should wear white shirt and black shoe. But you know that my black shoe have spoiled, so you can just tell him that in case you have black shoe, male black shoe that you want to use it, don't tell him that it's male. You can just go and meet him.
Baby.
Go and meet him. I'm a brother. She's my sister.
You really useless, huh? What's going on here?
Hey, beautiful dancer. You look so gorgeous. You're the partner and say, man, I collect your number. I'm not to waste time, but inside this awesome. You understand? So, I get your number.
Come on, boy, yeah. You dey waka about the fine girl when you want 2 months to Christmas. Not gonna know it. Not gonna use your life to do something. The fine girl. See how specific be. Go and do something with your life. 2 months to Christmas. You dey fine. You dey waka up and down. Anyway, come, Shao. Come, because I believe say before Christmas you go make her. I pursue you, see the waka they come. After they see you, so yes, they go, you look back.
I
don't want trouble.
He big go.
Don't worry, eh? I own this man made, he own this God made, eh? Do you want to touch it? It is risky.
Something they worry you now. What is all this now? How can a lady wear such things outside, broad daylight, wearing such thing? And imagine. What are you staring at? What did I say to look? Oh, if I said you put your hand inside fire, you will put your hand at.
This is not fire now, this is national.
Don't worry, you meet me at home.
What's wrong with you now? I do something.
Why are you still looking at it?
Jesus, you never see anything.
That's what they do, women. Darling, I'm home. Carry woman come house.
woke up Chris Breezy.
Babe, you know that Sid is looking for a job, so I was just thinking if you could help him get one at your office, please.
Okay. Meet me at the office tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you.
The next day.
So, Sydney.
Sir.
You really want this job?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll see. I'll ask you 2 questions. Okay. If you answer the questions correctly, then you might get the job.
Okay, sir.
So, what's my favorite football club?
Arsenal.
What did you talk?
Arsenal.
Arsenal.
Sydney. I'm a Chelsea fan. Everybody knows this.
Ah, that's true.
Idiot. Okay, no problem. I'll ask you another question. What's the surest platform on Telegram and WhatsApp everyone is joining that predicts show games?
Provides daily free betting teams designed to help you
The
grow
best
your
club
bank
in the world is
consistently.
Arsenal,
And
not
even if you have no idea how to take
Arsenal.
games, they will teach you. Now you stake,
You're a Chelsea
now
fan.
you win,
I
now
don't
you
like
cash out.
Sports Tycoon.
Good job.
Click on the link and join.
Unfortunately, you're not getting the job though.
Sir, why?
You only got 1 question correct. Yeah, come in.
Hi, sir. We have Don Jazzy and he wants to see you.
Okay.
Don Jazzy.
Yes, sir.
Let him in.
Okay, sir.
So you're saying he didn't give you this job?
He didn't give me.
Don't worry, I know what to do. Hello?
Babe,
Yes, baby.
where's the food now? I'm hungry.
I'm coming. The food is almost ready.
Come on.
But before I give you this food, you have to answer 2 questions correctly.
Okay.
So, between me and $500 million, which will you choose?
You, of course.
Got that correct? Hold on, don't be in a hurry.
Waiting.
Do not answer the second question.
Here we go again.
So, you have to be wise answering this one because if you don't, there will be no food for you in the other room. So, between spending time with me or watching your favorite team play finals, which will you choose?
That's a tough one.
Answer wisely.
I'd rather watch my favorite football team.
Okay. Then there will be no food for you in the other room.
Really?
I mean, if you did waste my time.
Come to the office tomorrow.
You don't know so that you don't know.
You want to hit me? It's not you be driving like that.
Sorry,
What's the meaning of this one now? You are still coming.
I'm so sorry, please. I'm so sorry.
I'm not taking that rubbish apology from you, please.
Okay.
What's the other one?
I'm so hope you're okay.
Don't touch me, please.
Okay, now do you know what?
Let's have it.
Manage this for me, please. For the stress and everything.
Please get
please.
all like.
I'm so sorry.
It's fine. Please drive carefully next time.
Yes.
Don't give her money now. Drive carefully next time.
So strong.
You don't learn. What you want to do now? What you want to do next?
Yo, who is that? I'm so sorry. Hope you're okay.
I know they're okay. You don't break my leg.
Give her 1,000.
Waiting be this.
Leave me alone. You don't jam me. You don't say you don't jam me.
Oh, young man. Sorry. Hope you're okay.
I know they're okay. See blood everywhere.
Wait. Oh, yeah, take. Hope you're okay now.
Are they okay?
Let's go to the hospital.
No need to carry me to hospital. No worry.
Hope you're okay.
Are they okay?
Hope you're okay.
Are they okay?
Hope you're okay. I'm very sorry, sir.
Now what for you, bro? Too much.
I don't catch her. I don't catch her.
Very good.
Collect the money. Collect the money. Collect the money. Collect the money. Counter. Counter. You complete, Abi?
No complete, though.
You no complete.
How much? 30,000 in a year.
10,000 naira. No worry, no worry. No worry. Leave her, leave her, leave her. Leave her. See, this is the money you owe in our loan company. And remember, 20,000 naira is left. Provide that money, else.
Go see Pepe.
I dey watch you.
Hey, get luck now, at least. You don't lose, though.
Your teeth.
You don't lose, at least you don't pay a large chunk of this loan now. You don't lose, though.
Make I go express.
Jesus.
I dey go express. I go express route.
We regret to announce the unexpected exit of a fool who left without paying debts, and nobody knows his family or friends. We really wish he never left because who will pay all the debts? Nobody.
Can you imagine? This guy really
Hey! Chop rice. Chop rice.
Back of cup. Easy to answer. Pass it to bread.
After working kiloku, ìgbádùn lókun tá máa jẹ.
I dream my guy dey dream sef. So na dream he dey dream. Poverty won't buy my guy. Hey. Thanks for people for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. Yeah. So what's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. Yeah. And please, guys, I beg, wanna try to subscribe. You know, YouTube is still actually messing with my channel. In case you guys don't know, I'm still on 2 strikes. You guys, I'm still on 2 strikes for months now. So it's not been easy for me, you feel me? So share this video, continue to share it, and check out my other videos. Check them out, my guys. Check it out. So see you in the next one, my people. Peace and love.